Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have An Enemy Battler of a Shuten-Doji by Uji Masala. A character out of a Maid with a gun by Naka-Aki. And A Silver-Haired Girl by K. Alex. The More You Know, a short RPG game about Lily Catherine, a 17-year-old girl. An icon pack of Halloween items by Admirin. Ultimative Basic Fantasy Icon Set by Thomas Feitma. An MZRTP edited icon set of Stats Increase and Decrease by Grassi. An MV plugin by Hikari Leiku that allows us to use formulas and calculations in text and description boxes that are then replaced with the result in the game. An MV and MZ plugin by IMDigs that adds diagonal movement to our game and allows adding diagonal sprites and animations as well. An MZ plugin by Akumu Games that displays currency as single tokens instead of numbers. An MZ plugin by Severoheim that adds a weight and limit system to items and inventory. An MZ plugin by Noon that allows us to set the selling price of each item individually. A huge pack of assets from Lemasoft by Axuin. This asset pack includes character portraits, backgrounds, user interface elements, music, sound effects, and voice packs. Mud Isometric Tilesets by Hive. A tileset pack of a retro marketplace by Jif. A Cozy Diner by Cows. Castle Interiors by Celiel the Shaper. Haunted Swamp by Kokoro Reflections. Nostalgic Modern Interior by Pika's Game Store. Next we have a video tutorial by a human being on adding extra frames to side view battlers using Dragon Bones. And lastly, a video tutorial by Goda Chaos on how to create infinite lines of script calls in MV. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.